decoders. We recovered 13 bags of cement as well, and many other accessories that are all there for you to see. From these scavengers, we recovered 3 generators, and we recovered ladders that they used to enter and come out of this manhole. And a lot of their tools, like iron cutting, pliers, were recovered from them. The diversity and volume of recovered items highlight the extensive and organized nature of this syndicate, whose activities have caused significant harm to public infrastructure and projects conducted within the Federal Capital Territory. I want to emphasize that the Federal Capital Territory Police Command and our sister agencies, including the Navy, the Nigerian Army, the Air Force, the Civil Defense, the DSS, and other security agencies, operate zero tolerance towards this act of vandalism. And we have resolved to all go out to ensure that we continue to embark on raids to rid the town of these menace. As I speak with you, shanties behind the new PDP secretariats are ongoing removal. As I speak with you, our officers are there. We have moved into the areas and it has been leveled down. As I speak with you, shanties near the Total Filling Station by NNPC is gone, as our officers are there and it has been leveled to the ground. Shanties behind the house, shanties housing Panteka at Apoduse has already gone the same way. We are going to identify areas where all these activities are taking place and we will do what is necessary. So far, so good. I want to let members of the public know that the duty of protecting public infrastructure is that of everybody. Public infrastructure belongs to every one of us, and we have a duty to protect it. I'm going to leave a number for you to call in case you see or notice vandalization of public infrastructure. I want you to call this number, and a team dedicated will move to that area to do what is necessary. 0803 200 3913. I'll take the number one more time. 0803 2003 913. If you see something, say something. Thank you so much. I can take questions. The first person who spoke wanted to know what we're doing about it. This is not the first time we have been working on arresting them. They have been arrested and then they have been charged to court. And I will give you an example of one who was arrested, charged to court, and he came out with community service as punishment. But as luck to have it, he went back about the same week he came out from prison and he got electrocuted. We charged them to court. They come out with light sentences, and we continue to recycle them. When are we returning the manhole? I want to let you know that we had a security meeting here yesterday comprising of Office of the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, officers in charge of public infrastructures, who are already working on returning those things back to the road. We are going to hand this over to them immediately for them to return them back to those places, while we make effort to ensure that patrol is intensified on those areas that they are no longer removed. As I speak with you, we have teams that have moved out of the Federal Capital Territory in other states, working with officers of other states, because we noticed that these things end in factories out of the Federal Capital Territory. I'm sure before the end of today, I will have update for you about the activities of officers who have gone to other states. The last person asked question, what do you do when you see them? I just read out a number to you. If you notice anything, if you notice somebody vandalizing public infrastructure, call that number we have given out to you. We have teams dedicated to moving around to walk up there and do what is necessary immediately. Just like I mentioned earlier, I want the residents to know that all of us must keep eyes on public infrastructure, because public infrastructure belongs to all of us. If we see something, call us and we act immediately. I want to thank our sister agencies for the wonderful cooperation they have been giving us, because we have a task force who have been going out and they're recording successes. Thank you so much for taking your time to listen.
Yes, these are the handle of even generator 6 generator. Hello, basic generator.